Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how did something. So today I'm gonna tell you how to feed my dog.
Leave 5 dogs behind, just in case. Right. Listen up. Don't take your eyes off the box, and don't let anyone in the room until we're back. All of the roads are sealed. The only remaining escape route is by air. If you see any suspicious aircraft, contact me immediately.
Okay.
Make sure not to kill them.
As you can see, that is this USB device. It's a Dreambox learning USB device. So as you may know, I'm gonna tell you what's inside it. Okay.
The auctioneer was the only one who knew the whole situation. And according to him, all of the items were taken to a new location in a few hours. It's like
clicking sounds, but
we're fully prepared for it. Don't you think the timing is just a little too coincidental?
there we go. Got the cover off.
You want to know what I think?
And I see what's inside it. So here's all the plates of the USB device, and I still have to get this down.
Today, unlimited gets the network it deserves. It's unlimited without compromising reliability on the largest, most advanced 4G LTE network in America. It's just $45 per line. 45. And that is all the microphones that I have. Unlimited on Verizon.
Okay.
$45 per line.
Just don't want to keep clicking. Clicking sounds.
The moment you realize you have a one-person band instead of a four-person family.
Okay, that's all for now, guys. I'm just gonna put this back on my computer. Okay. Here you go, USB device. You belong into my computer. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this channel and subscribe this video, thanks, and Steven. And subscribe and like this video. Subscribe this channel if you like